Tortoise, I sent to you to come to my palace because you are brave.
Thank you, Your Highness.
I am the king of this entire kingdom. I sent for you because I have a proposal for you.
Okay, Your Highness. Your wishes is my command. What is the proposal?
I have been clamoring to have elephants to my hostage for decades now. If you can get me an elephant, and there shall be reward attached to it.
Oh, that's great, Your Highness. You know I love getting rewarded, but I think it's difficult to capture an elephant.
I know it's difficult to capture an elephant. But if you can get me an elephant to my hostage, I will give you my princess as wife. So Tortoise, think about the pleasure attached to this proposal. Think and get me an elephant.
My king, that is a great offer. Having princess as my wife is an honor to my personality. It's a deal, my king.
Yes, it's a deal. I know you are the only person that can bring me an elephant. I know you can do it. Bring me an elephant, as I said earlier. There shall be a great reward to you. If only I can have an elephant as my hostage. That is what I promised my great-grandfathers. Tortoise, I am counting on you.
Thank you, Your Highness, for believing in me and trusting in me. I promise to make your wish come to reality.
As you embarking on the journey to the forest, may the gods of our land be with you. You will go and succeed. You will bring me an elephant to my hostage. And I will rule the kingdom with my happy mind. I will make a great king. I will be the great king. Your reward is uncountable. I will give you my daughter Hans in marriage, and you will rule the half of the kingdom. You will live with me. It's a promise I have for you, Tortoise.
Thank you, my king. I promise to do everything possible to bring an elephant to your presence and happily get married to the princess. Thank you, my king.
One more thing, Tortoise. You have 3 days to accomplish this mission. After 3 days, if you cannot get me an elephant, then you will face the consequences.
My king, in 3 days' time, I will be back. And I promise to make your dream come true, like I said before.
You may leave at once. Why are you here? And what can I do for you, Mr. Tortoise?
Good morning, sir. Good
That has not answered my question, Mr. Tortoise. What are you doing in my domain?
I have a message from the king to you. If you don't mind, can we take a walk?
The king? Then I'm glad. Okay, there will be no problem. Let's take a walk.
My king respect you a lot. And it's a great honor for you to be respected by the king.
Good to hear that, Mr. Tortoise. But what have I done for the king to respect me?
You won't understand, Mr. Elephant. Your size and your stature command so much respect from the king.
I understand, Mr. Tortoise. But what is this invitations all about, if I may ask?
There will be a New Yam festival in 2 days' time. And the king wants you to be the chairman of the occasion.
Me, Elephant, being the chairman of the occasion? That is great. I think I will accept the proposal to go with you to the king, Mr. Tortoise.
You are such a nice person. No wonder the kings want you to be the chairman of the occasion. The king will be glad to welcome you in his palace. You are welcome.
That is okay. If you are ready to go, I am ready to go with you.
Yes, I'm ready. But one more thing, Mr. Elephant. You know I am slow and you are fast. Can you carry me on your back so that the journey will be faster to meet the king?
Yes, of course. I will carry you on my back. I will gladly carry you on my back to meet the king, Mr. Tortoise.
Thank you, Mr. Elephant. Let's go. My great king, I'm here with the elephant you requested for.
Mr. Tortoise, I am happy and I am so glad for mission accomplished. You have made me the greatest king I clamored to be for decades. You have made me the greatest kings among the kings. You have kept your promise. Then your reward is uncountable. And I will reward you with gold and silver. I will reward you with so many things we never imagined. Tortoise, you are a man. You are a man with a great wisdom. This call for celebration. Let's celebrate. Let everybody drink, eat, enjoy yourself, for this is a new day. On behalf of myself and the entire kingdom, as the king of this great kingdom, I am here to keep the promise. Mr. Tortoise, you have done a great job. You have made me a great king. Today, I give my princess to you as man and wife. And I also give you my blessing. She will be a blessing to you and your generation to come. You shall live happily as husband and wife. This is my word as the king of this kingdom. Go and you shall succeed.